We're leaving right now, headed to Dothan, Alabama to pick up some captain seats for my truck. 4 hours and 30-minute drive. Gonna be the longest drive I made for sure for some parts for my truck. But I'll pick y'all up on the way there if anything happens, or if not, I'll just pick y'all up when we get to his house and start getting the seats on the car. They're pretty mint condition seats. He only wants $300, but it's gonna be like $100 in gas just to get there. So $400, say, all round trip for gas and seats. I don't feel like it's bad when people out here taxing $600, $700 for some mint condition captain seats. Leaving Chick-fil-A, about to get on the road again, and I think we still got like 3 hours before we even get to Dothan.
For about 18 miles, continue straight.
Currently in the middle of nowhere, halfway there. Ain't nothing happened. Got food, left. We just stopped at the second gas station. Getting something to drink. Probably ain't gonna fill up till later. I'm just ready to be there, get my seats and leave, bro. I'll pick y'all up when something happens or we get to his house. Got an hour left. I ain't done much since the last gas station stop. Trying to get some food before we pull up to Buddy's house. Been sitting in our car for 4 hours, so not ready for the drive back home at all. Catch y'all when we get at his house. We got the seats. Literally just left Buddy's house. It's pretty mint condition. I didn't see anything wrong with them. He got his $300. I'm heading back home. Like 2 little skinny brushes. It's like the detailing brushes the guy uses on TikTok to clean his truck with. I had some of those, couldn't find them, so I'll just pick this different brush up and try and clean these braces or the brackets or whatever. My stuff I use, you ain't gotta use it. I use Tough Stuff. It's like a multi-purpose cleaner kinda. You can spray it on about anything and it'll come off. But that's what I'm gonna use. You can use whatever. Phone overheated. Had to go inside for a minute. But back out here, cleaning the rest of these seats off. Again, with the seats, clean the brackets off with it too. Gonna spray it down with this, but just in case it does like dry stuff out like leather, I'm gonna get the J Linens, I think that's how you say that, leather conditioner is what I'm gonna use. It's hot as crap out here. My phone's overheated like 5-6 times doing these time lapses, and I would like to get a time lapse on everything, but I don't have like a shade for it to sit under, and if I can find one, I'll try and do it and see if it keeps overheating. But yeah, if not, the next thing will be me picking y'all up when I'm taking the seats out of the truck. We about to pull these seats out. That's the best place I could put it where you could actually see kind of what I'm doing, but I'll just like tell you all the size of the nuts and everything. First, you pop off your plastics to get to your nuts. Nuts right here at the brace. I know y'all can't see them, but they're right here at the front of the seat. It is an 18mm nut. Fold down the back. Pop this little cover off. Them are the 218s up front, and there's the 218s on the back. These right here are the two 13mm nuts here, and then you're gonna have a pull off this plastic, another 18. Phone has cut off for another like 717th time. I got that plastic off there, this plastic, loosened that nut up, took them nuts off. That side of the seat's ready to come out, so I'm probably about to move all this stuff out the floor and pull the seats out and take it in my room. Unless it's gonna cut off for another 300th time that it's already did, y'all can watch me struggle and get this seat out, I guess. Well, I didn't notice another 18 I gotta take out. It's at the very, very back. There it went. It's right there where them 12mm were. This side's out. Gotta take it inside. Now I'm gonna take that side out. Well, she's in. I ain't gonna bolt it down yet. And yes, as you can tell, they're not the same color. Like Tahoe charcoal gray interior. I'm editing this right now, and I've been looking for the clip of me taking out the passenger side seat in the rear. And I guess I never hit record on the phone, and I didn't get it, so it's just gonna be me putting the passenger seat in, but not me taking one out because I'd never recorded apparently. Also got someone coming out here today and buying this 1500 hood that was on my truck. This one got a little bit of hail damage. Y'all tell me in the comments if it's a good or bad deal. I was selling it for $100, trying to get more out of it, but buddies drove a ways. I think he came all the way from Russellville. Not far, but I mean, he went from Russellville to Birmingham, and then coming from Birmingham all the way to my house, and that's about a 2-hour trip. So I didn't lower the price down just because how far he was driving, but I mean, I just needed it gone. What was I going to do with it in the first place? Met the guy that was buying my hood, got it gone, but it is now starting to rain. I was out there talking. It's starting to rain now. And I gotta get these seats put in. That's gonna be something new to get used to. Freaking having to pull that lever up to fold the back seat down. What the crap? this side, these seats are heated. It does feel different going from a bench seat in the rear to having an armrest back here instead of like the little cup holder. I like it though a lot. I'll be more satisfied with them when I get everything reupholstered and they're the same color. But until then, I guess they just gonna stay the lighter gray color. That's why I didn't really want to go out and buy some beat seats, because I wanted to throw them in my truck, and them not being the same color, I'd rather them be mint condition, not the same color. Because what I've heard from the guy that I bought these from is they don't make a Tahoe with all dark charcoal gray interior like mine is. They're all this lighter color. So I mean, that's fine with me. Like I said, getting reupholstered, so it really doesn't matter. Like and subscribe. I love y'all. See y'all in next week's video. Peace out.